9 is asking us to describe how to solve the equation. I'm just going to start by solving it, and then we'll figure out how to describe it from there. All right, so it says we're solving by factoring the difference of 2 squares. Well, I think those decimals are horrible, so I'm going to get rid of the decimals by multiplying everything by 10. Okay, and I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 10. So when I multiply this by 10, that moves the decimal over. Multiply this by 10, that moves the decimal over. And 0 times 10, last time I checked, that was still 0. Okay, so now you can see that we have a difference. That's where the subtraction sign comes into play. And here we have a perfect square. 25x squared is a perfect square. 4 is a perfect square. So this ends up being super easy. The only hard part really is just understanding that you can get rid of those decimals. So here we have 5x, that's the square root of this, right, at both of these places. Here we have 2, that's the square root of 4, and then one of these is a plus sign, one of these is a minus sign. Now all you have to do is solve for x using the zero factor theorem. So we have 5x plus 2 is equal to 0, or we have 5x minus 2 equals 0, which hopefully you can do the rest of this in your head, but you should be able to see that 5x is equal to -2, and then we get x equals -2/5, which means that over here you're going to get x is equal to +2/5. So x is equal to plus or minus 2/5. And honestly, if you have shown all of this work, as long as you've shown enough work, I will accept that for your description.